So today we are going to be unboxing the Zoom H1 microphone, and so here we have the box. Flip to the side, looks real nice. Here's the back. Let's get opening. So here we pull out this tab, and then we open the top, and right there it says "We are for creators." Then we open it up, and the first thing you see is a white box, and when you pull that out, there is the instructions and the warranty and SD card and all of that. And then you see the microphone. See, there's the SD card and the warranty and some instructions and some precautions on how to set up everything. Let's open that up. Here's the SD card usage envelope paper thing. Alright, now that all that's away, I can show you the microphone. So here's the microphone. It looks pretty nice, pretty decent quality. And take off this plastic. And here it is. The Zoom H1. Set that to the side. Comes with the battery. Alkaline Maxell battery. Now here's the microphone. So right here we have a button for recording right there, and then on the side we have line out for headphones, the volume for the headphones, micro SD slot. You pull it down to open it, and then you just slide the card in. We'll do that later. And on the bottom is a speaker for easy listening. And then right there's a recording light and then a peak light. And on the side we have a whole bunch of features, a USB plug, power, you pull and hold it down, and then there's hold mode, delete, skip backwards, pause, play, skip forward, input level, so how the volume is, and then a line in for like an external microphone. Pretty good design. Can't wait to test it out. Some videos. On the back side here we have a low cut filter. Turn that on, it takes all the low out. Auto level, so that it levels the audio on how loud it is in the room. And then a recording format, WAV or MP3. The WAV takes up more space and MP3 is less space. The battery goes in here. Make sure you take the plastic off the battery before putting it in, otherwise it won't work. Hold it down and turn it on, and there we go. There's unboxing of the Zoom H1, and hope you all had a very good new year, and this is my last video of 2017. So see you next year, 2018, here we come. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.